Hi everyone, Miles here at East Horton. This week's little tip is from the driving range because it's pouring with rain out there on a miserable Monday. But this week's little tip for you is about the takeaway. And as Jack Nicklaus once said, every good move leads to another good move. And that's certainly correct in your golf swing in the takeaway, because if something's wrong in that section of your swing, it will manifest itself probably in a fault somewhere later on in the swing. So a couple of things for you to think about and some good practice for you to go with. Okay, so let's just take it that you're in a good setup position. So you've set up squarely, grips correct, ball position, stance, body line, all those initial parts are correct. Now the initial move of your swing is quite important. You want to feel like the head leads your golf swing, followed by your left hand and arm, and then the turn of the shoulder, so that it all starts to come away smoothly in one section. You obviously can't start with your hands or lead the butt of the club away from the ball. That's going to cause you some problems, and you don't want to go too quickly. So that's why you want to start off quite smoothly and in one position. Now this first section, you want to use your arms here and the club to make this little Y shape. And this triangle comes back together. So the position I consider the end of the takeaway is here, where the club is parallel to the ground. You want this right arm to have stayed straight, because that's going to build some width into your swing. And it's all in one motion. Okay, so here's the important bits about path. The mistake that we see people make most is they'll get the club too quickly on the inside. This will cause you at some point probably to loop back over. They're the people that will slice it or come across the ball there. So the little key here at hip height, halfway, is I want the club to be parallel to your toe line. Okay, once you're into that position, then you can carry on into this top part of your swing. I mean, I like to teach it in those two sections, and that's section 1 and then 2 as you go higher. But since we're just talking about the takeaway here, that's something you'll want to go away and practice. Just setting yourself in that correct place at halfway. It's an easy thing for you to check. A little thing I remember as a kid, you get to halfway, turn around and face it, you should be able to start again. Silly little tip really, but it's something you can try, because for sure if you've got it way on the inside here at halfway, when you turn around to face it, it's not going to be right. So, little tip for you this week, just about takeaway, and it's about smoothness, being connected. Left arm and club are all one unit here, and that hip high position is really important. Okay, so straight right arm, not locked out straight, but comfortably straight. You can't start to bend that or get that too in there, because that gets you back on that wrong path. So smooth, straight, relaxed, and your swing is now started to carry on, and hopefully that flow will carry on through into the rest of your swing. Okay everyone, hope this weather cheers up a little bit. We'll have a quick practice. See you everyone, see you next week.